Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we will solve the integral of 3 to the power of x times x to the power of 3 dx. And the only way to solve it is by integration by part. I know the formula of integration by part is integral of u times dv is equal u times v minus integral of v du. So I will be using that formula, and you will see it look complicated, but at the end it's very easy if you pay attention to that formula. So let's start. Here I say let x to the power of 3 is equal my u, or my u is equal to the x to the power of 3. Let u equal x to the power of 3. So my du is equal 3x squared dx. And my dv is equal to 3 to the power of x. So here my v is equal 3 to the power of x divided by ln of 3. That's a formula that I applied it. You don't have to demonstrate it. You can always apply it. The integral of a to the power of x dx is equal a to the power of x divided by ln of a plus c. That's the formula that I have applied. So now let's rewrite my integral using integration by part. So the integral that is integral of 3x times x to the power of 3 dx is equal u times v, and here my u is this and my v is that. So it is u times v, which is x3 times 3 to the power of x divided by ln of 3 minus integral of v du. So my v is 3 to the power of x divided by ln of 3, and my du is this one, times 3x squared dx. Perfect. I know that 3 is a constant. I can take it outside my integral. Let's rewrite it outside my integral. It will become clearer. So the integral of 3 to the power of x to the power of 3 dx is equal to x3 times 3 to the power of x divided by ln of 3 minus, I can take the 3 outside my integral, 3 to the power of x divided by ln of 3 multiplied by x squared dx. And so this part is done. I have to solve this part now. It has the integral. Again, I will solve it by integration by part, and here my u is equal to x squared and my dv is equal to the 3 to the power of x. So, and be careful here, I did not use that, so I have to add it to whenever my solution, I have to divide it by ln of 3. So my du, if u is equal x squared, my du is equal 2x dx, and my v, and there is a dx here, my v is equal 3 to the power of x divided by ln of 3. Again, I used that formula. So let's rewrite it. It will become, that integral will become equal to x3 times 3 to the power of x divided by ln of 3. So I copied this here, minus 3, and I open my big parenthesis, my big bracket, and I know here I have divided by ln of 3 that I did not use. Let's write it right away, divided by ln of 3. Now it is u times v. My u is x2 and my v is this one, 3 to the power of x ln of 3. So it becomes x2 times 3 to the power of x divided by ln of 3 minus integral of v du. So my v is 3 to the power of x divided by ln of 3, and my du is equal times 2 x dx. Perfect. So again, this 2 is a constant. I will take it outside my integral. So this will be equal x to the power of 3, 3 to the power of x divided by ln of 3 minus 3, and I open my big bracket. So it is x squared times 3 to the power of x divided by ln of 3 minus the 2 that I took outside my integral, 3x times x dx divided by ln of 3, and we don't have to forget this ln of 3 here divided by ln of 3. So that part of the equation is done with the ln of 3. I have to solve this part. So again, here I can take my u is equal to x, my dv is equal to 3x divided by ln of x. So that would be my u, and that would be my dv. So let's do it. I say let u is equal x, so my du is equal dx, and my let dv is equal 3 to the power of x. And again, I did not take this. This is 3 to the power of x, sorry. I copied it from here, and I put 3x by mistake. So my dv is 3 to the power of x dx, so my v would be 3 to the power of x divided by ln of 3. I think you know from where I got that. And let's do the integration by substitution. So let's recopy all that. So it become equal x to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of x divided by ln of 3 minus 3, and I open my big parenthesis or bracket. It is x squared times 3 to the power of x divided by ln of 3 minus 2, and let's do it now. And I open another parenthesis here, and this, in order not to forget it, let's put it right away, ln 3. And here it's u times v, and my u is x, and my v is 3x divided by ln of x. So it becomes x times 3x divided by ln of x, of 3, ln of 3, uv minus integral of v du, and my v here is 3 to the power of x divided by ln of 3, and my du is dx. We're almost there. And now I have this divided by ln of 3 divided by ln of 3 here, and I close my parentheses and I close my bracket. We are almost done, because let's highlight it so you see it. That integral, it's a formula. Integral of 3 to the power of x is 3 to the power of x divided by ln of 3, and the ln of 3 is a constant. It can go outside the integral. So let's put the final answer, which is equal to x to the power of 3, 3 to the power of x divided by ln of 3 minus 3 x squared 3x divided by ln of 3 minus 2, and you know this is divided by 1, so I can multiply it by 1 over ln of 3 this, and it become ln square of 3. Let's do it in one shot. So it is x 3 to the power of x divided by ln of 3 minus 1 divided by ln of 3, because I can take the ln of 3 outside my integral, and the integral of 3 to the power of x, the integral of done, and the integral of this here is equal to 3 to the power of x divided by ln of 3 And all that divided by ln square of 3. So that's it. You can simplify it more by taking like ln, factor out ln and whatever, but that would be an acceptable final answer. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me a lot if you subscribe. All what you have to do is click on the bottom subscribe on the bottom of the screen. It's not gonna ask you for username, password, nothing. Just click on subscribe. That would help me a lot and I would really appreciate it. Thank you for listening.